misunderstand with all comes to as reactors say. I don't know. You guys just the reactors that are saying all those things they're saying.
Hello, my beautiful people. Yes, so this video will be the last video for the day. I bring a nelookeke sister. Yes, Ineka Nwongo. Since if I don't pronounce your name well, I'm sorry. Okay. Welcome to Naija Daughter TV. So there is some question when I would love to talk about when she answer. Somebody write some of us, some the commenters, some people. How could you write married woman? How many times did they knock your husband in a week? Hey! When I hear that part, I was shut alive. I said some people can ask questions. Sha, hey! He said, how many times did they ask married woman? She they knock her husband in a week. Wait, she go answer that question. Wait. Are you a married woman or you are just a young girl, you never get married, you want like to know that part, how many times a lady supposed to meet? If you are a single girl, you never married, they prepare for marriage, they know now how your body do you, or maybe your partner her libido feel high. You see, they ask you as a woman, mostly women wey don't get children, things a lot, they be the same when una be single. When una be single, na fit dey knack akpako up and down. But one that don't get children, a lot of work don't dey, a lot of doings don't dey to do, a lot of house chores, children, only children chat a day self. When you go lie down for bed, all your hair go dey do plus when oga go come dey, you go say abeg. My sister, she can't tell you say see how many times, because now married woman, that mother, you understand. If I never watch that video, me una go watch am. That comment said it trigger my, I say, me I no fit ask that question. No, me I no fit ask how many times did you meet your husband in a week. No, if you ask her in a year, and if you ask her say in a year, how many times did you meet your husband in a year, then she will carry biro and calculate it for you. And secondly, I don't know whether if you play all those parts, they say ask her about her sister, her sister, how she feel describe her sister, the worst things about her sister, and good. She said NJ is nice. Without Beto, we know say NJ calm, she cool. NJ nice to extent of say she go even help somebody, that person go dey stab am for back. It should be NJ friend. Who is she dey refer to? I go put the thumbnail. No be say I say nice she dey refer to, but I'll put the thumbnail to drag traffic to my reactors. He said, NJ, we got friends. And those friends, some of NJ friends, when as NJ they do good read, some of them they will stab NJ for bad. He said NJ good, and sometimes they annoying. NJ good. No, she said NJ good. Sometimes they annoying her. He said they scatter her. Yeah. He said no. He said Nello just give her to you, guys. Without it, when you see Nello, you know say Nello not fix. If Nello not just send you, he go tell you say I not send you. I beg carry yourself. I beg distance yourself from me. Then let's go to the main topic. Somebody come ask her this question. He say, oh, this part I for like to play. He say, what did they really happen between you and Ogom? Because reactors talk about you and Ogom. Some of now wanna be comment action. No, now they download down wella to them. Which one be say reactor? You don't watch the video. Go and watch Ogom series video. Go and watch Ineka video. Go and watch NJ video when NJ feature Ineka and Ogom and Ogom, Ineka and Ogom together. No, na pardon the noise when they hear. I be mommy of two. I dey Europe. Nobody dey Europe to us to help you carry your children. As far as we dey house today, send you just forget. Okay. Go ask. Go watch that video when your friend, somebody who call your friend, who you call your best friend, you this commenter, now you are the refer this thing to. I think you get friend, you get best. Yeah, there is friends. There is some people they are your friends. There is some people they are your best friend. Like me, I like elderly people to be my best friend, to be my friend. Yes, elderly people, not be my age mate. My age mate sometimes they collect pente. Elderly people, they know say, hey, if you never contact them, they know say, oh, busy in the day. But your age mate, go they say, oh, I don't let they contact you, and they do this, and they reach out to me. I say, how bad. But elderly people, they understand. They understand the package. You see why elderly people good? Elderly people too sweet to make friend with. I always call you. You know they call me. I always ask her. No. If you be single, you get that space to do. But once you don't be mother, mostly you get toddler for hand. You can't they work or you can't get something. Forget friend. Now, friend when you go they say they ask about her. But elderly people, they understand. So you get children to take care of, you get your home to take care of, you get your things to do anytime. They'll see they contact you. They'll say, I want to ask about you. Those are my elderly mommies. I love you. I have go watch Ogom's NJ video when Ineka when Ogom say, I reach out to you. You never pick and you never call me back. If you dey busy, friend reach out to you, friend wey you get for mind. After you see that call, at least if that day you no fit call the person, at least the next day you supposed to call the person. Wetin be our sister Ineka respond? He say, I contact who I want to contact and I contact my bestie. If I reach out to my bestie, na be Ineka word. Then you say na with the reactor. No, not be with the reactor. Our sister Ineka, na wetin una bring out, now we help you na download. Yes, doing to your word of your mouth. Okay, may we shift am to Nello. Well, Nello, or God no be Nello friend. But just through NJ, now you take be Ogom series friend. We will see the friend Ogom series. If in fact he like, if they will say me they put love, Ogom love you. Ogom like to be party with, to be friend with you. Then you open door, then you close it back. Nello not favor open door. Then when we see that activity, me, Naija Daughter, I see that activity, I say, how more Nello, why you do our sister like this now? It's not good. Now, clicks. As our days, chant it. Our place for still chant it. Now we talk about her. Now that one carry can't give you right. Give you. Some commentator. Then another one when she still answer. Some of gonna be commenters. I don't feel na so na be. Yeah, now what pass reactor? Reactor, we just dey talk wetin we see. We use our mouth talk. We not dey see now. You not that be commenter. We not dey see now face so. Commenter ask her say why she not dey travel to meet her sister, and I love that answer you give out. How some people just sit down. You see 2 sisters or 3 sisters. That they do their things. That they show their self-love. Then you just carry that kind of comment. If Nello not be wise person, NJ not be wise person, then they will hold that comment. They visit me now, they visit you again. Some people when they not get brain, they will follow like that. When some people when get brain say, how dare you? How you will come between me and my sister? Everybody know job they be waka waka. Some people know how to pay visit. When some people don't know how to pay visit, they are indoor. Tovu waka go see their man. It they hard there. Then you when you can't get sister always happy waka, just because of say you they see they say they always they visit in Neka, they visit in Neka. Then you just put out the question. It happened to somebody very close by. These people, his sister, they always the visitor. One judgeability by who? Just go meet her. Say, why you they visit your junior sister? Now your junior sister supposed to they visit you. Now your junior sister supposed to they come your house. Then that one say not true. Then catara box. You see, sometimes that junior sister no be say me now. Now person when they feel they carry bag. Say let me travel, carry bag, let me go outside. The other sister when they go visit her, consign you, face your family. All figures are not equal. Some people they know how to talk. As I said for here, I can talk from North Africa. But maybe the other my sister don't know how to talk, but she know how to visit. Wait because if NJ, Nello visit Ineka. If NJ and Nello now, they don't get brain now. Some kind of question, one person now make me never ever ask about question and answer. I never how many audience I get, no be my fellow YouTuber. I know now organic people. And I don't mind you. I'll just now that's I say me, I don't see a lot of people who don't gotta start YouTube the same time. They just say question and answer, answer and answer, question and I say yeah. Some people they ask question. Me, I know if you ask too much that kind of question. Why you know they visit your sister? You they see say sister they visit her. Why you still ask that kind of question? You just know say she not be person when they travel. Like people, me una hear, me una not be like say I cook the lie. If now 1 or 2 words when I feel play, me una take them for me. Because I want go wrong. Prepare food, okay?
Don't know how many times. Crush does not just end like that, too. It's something that can happen for a long time, and this one has lasted. I had a crush on someone before I got married, and even after marriage, the crush didn't just disappear. I spoke to my husband about it. I told my husband, look, I have a crush on somebody. No, I didn't actually have to speak to him about it because he realized it. He knew about the crush. But it's just sad that now, Ronaldo has 5 children. I don't know if he's even married to that his girlfriend, that he's paying how much a year in a month. So yes, Ronaldo is a crush that I don't think will end. Till today, I still love Ronaldo. Okay, let me not put love. I still have a crush on Ronaldo till today. I think I always have a crush on him. Because you see, if I go to my TikTok, I think I like any post about Ronaldo, I just like it. So when you hear people saying Ronaldo are Messi fans, just know where I stand. I crush on Ronaldo. The same person is asking me how many times I have sex with my husband in a week. I don't know why you want even to answer to that question. If it's 10 or 1 or 0 or whatever. I think that's a private question, so I'm not going to answer that question. So that question, the answer to it is none of your business. You don't need to know how many times I do that a week. It's my personal business, and you shouldn't be asking me that kind of question. Why didn't you attend Nemelu? Why don't you like traveling to see your sisters or visit them in their houses? Rather, they come visiting. Um, who choose to go to whose house to see who doesn't matter? If my sisters come here to see me, well, they're my sisters, they've come to see me. And I'm very happy to see them. And if I decide to travel to see them, well, I've traveled to see them. They're my sisters. So where we meet and where we see, here is anybody's problem. It's nobody's problem. Seriously speaking, it shouldn't be like, oh, this place is always coming. It doesn't mean, please. I talk to my sisters every day.
It doesn't matter. Some people can ask question. Imagine that kind of person that get access to your sister. You don't put bitterness to una heart. I said the mature one. In fact, the person when they reason well. Yes, apart from the person when they reason well, go say, Haba, why you want bring sansan between me and my sister? Why you want bring sansan? Is because you are mature. That is why. You see, my people. Some people will just sit down. They will just enter family. They want to destroy family. How you go drop that kind comment? Like, they pay visit. We consign you pay visit. And that person Rolando, when you talk, say Rolando, why me never still get now? Maybe I know they really follow superstar. I know they follow superstar. Those days I like Desmond Elliot, but no be that love. That no. Now whether Desmond Elliot they exist, I don't even know. Whether Desmond Elliot I not just like I say go no. I don't know why. I don't know why. Maybe now because of say rich children they get as they do. Me person like me why be akpako? I akpako child. I don't get that. My when people they say this star. Now my no. Now let Desmond Elliot. Me I just say our Nollywood. Not be say Desmond Elliot the talk, but the action for film. Jamaica. That cry. No. I like Desmond Elliot. I like Emeka Ike too, but no be Emeka Ike. When I don't even see post, I don't even know Emeka Ike. I like him because of my late brother, my immediate elder brother. Yes, me so rest in peace. They look alike. Anytime I see him, no be the other side. That's my brother's side. I would just sometimes I cry, sometimes. But say I would just see star or the kepelem. No, I'm not. And maybe because I say talk Akpako daughter, so those billionaire children, all they are alive, all they are that social media, telling, maybe that is
now everybody go to breakfast.
this getting too much for Nello.